Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this cute Apple Applique, perfect for hair clips and Christmas decorations. Here are the materials you'll need. We'll be using a 2.0mm crochet hook for this project. Take your light yellow yarn. Grab your hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through. Chain 3, these do not count as stitches. Round 1, work 12 double crochet stitches into the ring, pulling through 2 loops at a time. Place a stitch marker in the very first stitch. Pull up the loop and remove the hook. Find the short tail and pull it tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Chain 3. Round 2. Work 2 double crochet into each stitch around. Place your stitch marker in the first stitch. This is your first increase. Continue working 11 more double crochet increases. Remove the stitch marker. And slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Chain 2. Round 3. In the first stitch, work 1/2 double crochet plus 1 double crochet. Place your stitch marker. And in the same stitch, add 1 more double crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet increase. Continue the pattern. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase. Repeat for 4 sets. After that, work 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Then slip stitch. In the next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet. Then 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet, 4 sets. Next, work 1 double crochet increase. Then in the next stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Slip stitch. And remove your marker. Color change to red. Insert your hook into the stitch where the marker was. Join red yarn and pull through. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet. Place your stitch marker. Then make 5 single crochet increases, hiding the tails as you go. This is 1 single crochet increase. Cut any excess yarn. Work 12 single crochet, then slip stitch. Then slip stitch. Work another 12 single crochet. Finish with 5 more single crochets increases. After that, make 1 single crochet. Slip stitch. Remove the marker and slip stitch again into the first stitch. Pull up the loop, cut the yarn, and weave in the ends on the back. Trim any leftovers. Your apple applique is now complete. Set it aside for now. Apple stem. Take your brown yarn. Make a slip knot and chain 7. Starting in the second chain from the hook, work 6 slip stitches back. Pull up the loop and cut the yarn. Tie the 2 tails together and set it aside. Leaf. Take your green yarn and chain 8. Place a stitch marker in the first chain. In the second chain from the hook, work 1 single crochet. Place your marker, then 1 half double crochet. Then 3 double crochets. In the next stitch, work 3 single crochets in the same space. Remove your marker. In the last stitch on the side, work 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. Now move to the opposite side of the chain. Work 1/2 double crochet. Hiding your yarn tail as you go. Then 3 double crochets. Then 1/2 double crochet. And 1 single crochet. Remove your marker and slip stitch to the first stitch. Cut the yarn and pull the hidden tail through. Tie a knot to secure. Assembly. Attach the leaf and the stem to the top of the apple. Take a piece of brown yarn and embroider a cute face between round 1 and round 2. Tie off and cut the yarn. Add some blush if you like. And that's it, your adorable Christmas apple applique is finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your crochet friends. #MyBagZing. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crocheting and Merry Christmas.